That's the motherboard, the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk. Neat. Comes with the SATA cables. I think that's for driver installation, which we're not gonna use. Aluminum warranty. And these are stuff we don't even need. And that's the manual. Okay, now I'm gonna close this bad boy. Put it on top. Now, reveal the CPU. Now, it's a Ryzen 5600X. Yep, Zen 3. Big boy. Okay, that's the cooler, that's the CPU. That is a sticker. Okay, so I'm gonna install the CPU. Look for the little triangle. Oh, it's there. Alright, just finished installing the CPU. Very stressful. Okay, time for the M.2 Samsung 970 Evo Plus 250 gigs. Yeah, let's go. GB, so 16 gigs in total. Yep. Mom, look at the pretty.